How to install iOS 18 on iPhone. Now, by the way, by the time you watch this video, you could have gotten iOS 18 officially, but if you have not gotten it officially, you can apply for beta by simply going to settings, general, software update. Then you want to make sure to actually turn on beta updates. So in beta update, I have selected iOS 18 public beta. After that, you'll find the beta update available inside the update section, and from there you'll actually be able to see an update to iOS 18. So in my case, you can see I'm updated to iOS 18.0, and this way you'll be able to update to iOS 18. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.